Hi guys, welcome back to Time with Andrea, where today we will be cooking some curry chicken foot. Alongside that, I will be doing a piece of yam and dumplings. Come along with me as we go through the process. Alright guys, here we have the chicken feet, all soaking in some lemon. Guys, as you know, chicken feet can be very raw, so I pre-soak them into some lemon. Alright, so here I am now taking off the toes or the nails. Guys, you make sure you cut these off. You don't want to be eating your chicken feet and having the nails on it, alright? So you cut them off. Make sure you check inside here, because sometimes it's not cleaned properly. So I'm going ahead and I'm cutting all the toes off. Alright. I'm only cooking the chicken foot for myself. My son don't eat it, so I won't force him to eat it. It's all for me. Guys, as you join, please press the subscription button. Please go directly into YouTube. I might be sharing on other platforms. If you're coming from another platform, on the top of it, you see Open App. Click on the Open App. It takes you straight to YouTube, where you can like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for all the likes from Facebook, but I would appreciate it more on YouTube directly. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's joining. I really appreciate you. Welcome. You're all welcome over here. You're welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for those who stick and stay with me throughout the time I've been on. It's almost a year since I start posting what I do. Thank you for sticking with me. I mean, I'm getting subscribers slowly but surely. I thank God if it's even one per day or one per video I put up. I give thanks. So thank you all for coming. Welcome over here. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to cut the toes off, and then I will come back when I'm ready for seasoning up my chicken feet. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we have it. We have our chicken foot all cut up. Washing in vinegar and lemon and salt. Trying to cut off the rawness off of it. You know that chicken feet is very raw, so trying to get rid of it. Alright? Okay. So going ahead and taking it from this water. We're going to rinse it off again in some fresh water due to the vinegar being on this one strong. Okay. Oops, daisy. Alright, so we're going to get the onion on it. I'm just cutting up just a bit of onion in it for now, and then I'll be putting more seasoning into it as we go along. Alright guys, so here we have our all-purpose seasoning. It's almost finished. This is some seasoned to the bone. That's coming all the way from Jamaica. Here we have some garlic granules. We have some pimento. There we have some, this is some ginger. Alright. I like a lot of ginger in my curry. How can I not have the curry when I'm currying? Okay. Here we have some curry here. Then we go ahead and mix it in. Yes, guys. So you season the curry with your seasoning. Leave it to soak for a little while. I'm giving this about half an hour soaking, and then I'll start cooking. Alright, guys. So stay tuned until we come right back into our process of cooking. Right, here we have it, guys. We have some the pot's on the fire, so I'm gonna add a bit of oil to it. Don't want, well, the oil is finished anyway, so let me drain it. Alright, so that's the last of that oil. Avocado oil is very good for using, but guess what? It is also very expensive. Alright. Let's go ahead and add some curry. We're going to be burning our curry. I normally burn my curry a bit before I add the rest of the stuff to it. I don't want my curry to burn badly, so I'm going to go ahead now and add my chicken feet to it. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Because it is chicken foot, it don't really spring a lot of water for itself. Okay. I'm going to add some more water in, but I'm just doing this for a little bit. Let it cook on its own for a little bit. Then I will be adding more water in, okay? Okay guys, so while that is doing its own little thing, over here I've got my flour. I've got my flour here where I'm going to be, as you know guys, I use white and whole grain flour, half and half. So that's what I am using today. White and whole grain flour. And we're going to be adding our salt to that. Guys, remember, I use the Himalayan salt. That's what I cook with, which is very healthy for you. So go ahead and try it. I'm going to be putting some salt into the food pot. Right? Not sure if it's enough as yet, but as we go along, we will. Okay. Right, guys, I wear gloves, and they said the gloves are not, some people say that it is not hygienic, but I tend to put the gloves on and wash my hands, dry it, and then I'll go mix in my flour. Stay tuned while I wash my hand. I don't even have to dry it, because guess what? I need water into the flour, don't we? Right, so here we are. Hope you can see me here. Okay. So we're going to be actually mixing the flour. Right? Kneading the flour. See, guys, I need flour very quickly. See how clean my pan is? So I just need to knead the dough in now, and then I'll be good. So knead the dough in properly, and then I'm going to set it aside. Set it aside for mixing, alright? Okay. Let's go ahead and see what's happening in our pot here. Right, guys, what we're going to do here is catch some water. I'm not going to be pressuring it, guys. I'm going to catch some water almost to fill up the pot. Yeah, that's it. And then what I'm going to do is just leave it to cook on its own, slowly cook on its own. All right, guys, that's my way of cooking mine. I love chocha in mine, but unfortunately I love chocha and carrot, but unfortunately I don't have that, but I will be putting some potato in. Okay, so while we wait on this to start cooking, we're waiting on our water to boil so we can actually put the yam and potato in it. So we got yam and potato. Where's the yam? Yeah, we got yam and potato for that pot. So while the pot is, I'm waiting on the pot to boil, I'll be going ahead and peel the fruit in order for it to go into the pot as soon as it is boiling. Alright, guys, so stay tuned until we come right back. Okay, guys, so we have actually gone ahead and cut up our seasoning for the pot. It's not ready for it yet. You can go ahead and have a look. See, it's not ready for it yet, but as I said, I prepped stuff that's I'm ready for. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get our flour in first because the pot is boiling. So we're gonna go in and get our dumplings in first. Yes, guys, I love to portion out my flour before I put them in the pot. That's just how I do things. Okay. Alright, so that's my dumpling. See how it looks when you, that's the half and half flour. It has the wheat in it. Alright. I'm gonna give the dumpling a 5 minutes to cook, then I will add the rest of the stuff into it. I've got potato and I've got yam. Alright. Alright. Okay, the last flour. That's the last one there. Alright. So guys, I'm going to just use my same spoon and stir it. And we put the cover on and leave that to cook for another 5 minutes. Then I will add the other ground provision to it. Alright. Cooking nicely. You know what? Maybe I should just put the thyme in for the time to for it to bring up the flavor more. Yeah. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Right guys, so we're gonna go ahead now and add our yam and potatoes in. Alright. Yam and potato in. Let me go ahead and test the water to see if I need any more salt in it. Yes, it could take some salt in it. Oops, a daisy, make a mess. Alright, salt is in it. Yeah. So we go ahead and cover that and leave it to cook. Let's go ahead and check on our chicken foot. This guy's cooking nicely. Alright. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check on our chicken foot. Cooking away. Still very hard. So what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to boil some water. Let me boil the kettle and get some hot water in for it to continue. Don't mind the third pot. As I said, I am the only person eating the chicken foot, so I have to prepare something different for my son. I don't show much of what I'm preparing for my son because I don't want to crowd the video, just in case somebody wants to know how to do the chicken foot and I'm cooking another meat over there to confuse anybody. So I'm doing some pepper steak at the moment for him. So at the moment, let's concentrate on our chicken foot, the main subject. Alright. Okay guys, so here we got our seasoning all cut up alongside with potato. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to our pot. There's a bit of water in it also. Okay. So we're gonna add that in. Oh, I've got pepper in there too. So we're gonna leave that now to cook down and do its thing. Alright guys. So while that is cooking, we just wait until it's coming down, then we'll show what's happening again. Alright Alright guys, let's go ahead and check on our pot. Guys, I've put a whole hot pepper in there, so I'm going to take the pepper back out. Alright, so it's cooking nicely. So we're going to just leave that to cook down, right down to gravy stage, and then it will be all done. So the food provision, it's already finished cooking. So we're just waiting on our chicken foot to finish cooking. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and I've turned the stove off. There we have it. So we're going to be dishing up some now, and then yeah, show you the dished up dish. Here you have it, our curry chicken foot with boiled dumpling and potato and yam. Bon appetit!